everyone. So welcome to Connie Travels the World. And that was just the little glimpse of Taboo, live saxophone player, which is a famous guy out in Tulum. We always check him out every time we're in the area. And this is the third time we've seen him perform. And it's always such an amazing performance. So let's get right into it. We rented a beach cabana for 4 people, and that was on a Thursday. Now, just know that Friday through Sunday, the prices are much, much more higher. Here's the deal. When it comes to booking a cabana at Taboo, you go to their website and you can contact them via email, phone, or WhatsApp. So you'll be charged for the total amount of the section, including the number of people in your group. So half of that credit, though, will go towards food, beverages, and hookah, but the other half stays with Taboo. This place gets lit even during the week. So even if you book on a Thursday, it's okay because after 2 p.m., that is when the party starts to happen and the saxophone player starts around 5 p.m. Taboo Tulum has so much to offer, especially in the beach day clubs. So definitely check this spot out when you're in the area. It is so worth it. You have an amazing beachfront view, great vibes. The bohemian chic style that Taboo has to offer is just spectacular. It feels amazing. And so overall, we felt safe. It was just giving vacay on another level.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom.
All right, so my favorite parts about this place is the live performance, no doubt. You got this great energy, and he always has the crowd just jumping up and down, and it's just an awesome experience. So that's one. Second, the atmosphere. It is in front of the beach. Come on, that is just beautiful already. You can see the sunset, even 70-degree weather in January. So last but not least was the food. It was very tasty. I ordered the fruit platter, which came inside of a half of a pineapple, and it had a side of tajin, which you can just smother over all of your tasty and delicious fruit. I ordered the spicy tuna roll, and it did not disappoint. Make sure you check out Taboo in Tulum and let me know what you think. So any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks for watching. So please subscribe for more of my travel videos and experiences. See you on my next